Are you a beginner who wants to build muscle and strength but doesn't know where to begin? We'll help you get started with these 5 simple muscle building exercises. Remember, muscle tissue has an intrinsic link with your metabolism, and if you suffer from muscle loss, you could also end up with physical and cognitive issues. The more muscle you have when your body starts breaking down, the longer you can be physically fit. Here is the list of top 5 best exercises for muscles building. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Number 5. Lunges. This muscle building exercise is a must to promote functional movement and increase strength in your legs and glutes. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and arms down at your sides. Take a step forward with your right leg and bend your right knee as you do so, making sure your thigh is parallel to the ground. All this while, ensure your right knee doesn't go past your right foot. Push up off your right foot and get back to the starting position. Repeat with the other leg. Do 10 reps for 3 sets. Number 4. Push-ups. You might have seen many people doing push-ups. That's because it involves several muscles in your body at the same time. Amazing, isn't it? Start in a plank position. Your core should be tight, shoulders pulled down and back, and your neck neutral. Bend your elbows and lower your body down to the floor. Slowly and steadily, lift it up. Focus on keeping your elbows close to your body during the movement. Do as many reps as possible. Number 3. Squats. This might look like a simple exercise, but it increases the strength in your lower body like no other. What's more, squats are one of the best muscle building exercises out there because they engage some of the largest muscles in the body. Start by standing straight, with your feet at shoulder width apart, and your arms at your sides. Keeping your chest and chin up, push your hips back and bend your knees, as if you're going to sit on a chair. Don't bend your knees, and ensure your thighs are parallel to the ground, bringing your arms out in front of you in a comfortable position. Pause for 1 second, extend your legs and return to the starting position. Do 3 sets of 20 reps. Number 2. Standing overhead dumbbell presses. This is an exercise that targets several muscles in the body at once, and works well for those who have particularly busy schedules. It doesn't just work out your shoulders, but also engages your upper back and core. Pick a set of dumbbells measuring 5 kilos. Start by standing, either with your feet shoulder width apart or together. Move the weights overhead, so that your upper arms are parallel to the floor. Begin to push up until your arms are fully extended above your head. Next, bend your elbows and lower the weight back down, until your triceps are parallel to the floor again. Complete 3 sets of 12 reps. Number 1. The chin-up. Chin-ups are incredible exercise. They create a ton of muscle building tension to add slabs of steak to your biceps, back, and forearms. They build an aesthetic V-taper physique, so you'll look like you lift, regardless of your scale weight. They test your relative strength, which is a measure of how strong you are for your size. If you want a head-turning physique that's strong and explosive, prioritize the chin-up. That brings us to the end of this video. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos. And if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.